enter the amazing world of quilling and unleash the imaginator within you with the world's first motorized multifunction quilling tool, the Super Quiller. This automated quilling tool makes coils in a jiffy. Coiling, crimping or beading. Now it's just a matter of few seconds. So you can spend more and more time on your creations. Hey, are you wondering what all are the contents of Super Quiller with buddies? Here comes the Super Quiller with easy coiling disc. Next comes our jumbo coiling disc. This makes big coils for you. The beading buddy. The crimping buddy. These are 75 beading strips, 200 quilling strips, and the best part of these quilling strips are they are sticky back. So just peel the sticker and shut the coil. You do not need glue, so it's totally mess free just for you. This is a mini quilling board. With this, you can make same size of petals for your beautiful flower. Hey, don't forget to check out this unique design template. So, what are you waiting for? Enter the world of endless possibilities with our Super Quiller with buddies and dive in the world of quilling. Open the battery cover by lifting the tab at the bottom and removing the cover, then insert two AA batteries. Remember, the plus sign must face the bottom. Place the battery cover by inserting the tab and press until you hear the click. This is our easy coiling disc. Just insert the paper in the slot and press the big button. Ta-da! Your coil is ready. It's so easy peasy that even a 7-year-old can quill. Just like training wheels in a bicycle, your easy coiling disc helps you to quill like an expert. Even if you are a beginner, this patent pending tool is just perfect so that you can enjoy the speed of Super Quiller without any worry of paper flying off. What if you want to make big coils with more and more strips? Well, we have a solution for that too. Jumbo coiling disc is here just for you. You know, it can coil up to 20 quilling strips with a pair of fresh batteries. This is our beading buddy. Just change the pinion and attach the beading buddy to your Super Quiller and you're all set to go. Place the strip in the slot and press the button. Pause, adjust your strip, press the button. Pause, adjust your strip, press the button. There you go, your bead is ready. Are you wondering what to do of these beads? Make your awesome blossom jewelry and create your own treasure box filled with your designer paper jewelry and be the princess of your world. Or make a super cool tea coaster. Or you can create a 3D story book with all of these characters. Here comes the next, the crimping buddy. A fun and valuable connection to your Super Quiller to help you crimp in seconds. This attachment gives a crimped and a fun look to your creations. If you want to have a taste of our Super Quiller, then you can go for our Super Quiller and get its buddies separately later on. With this Super Quiller, you get an easy coiling disc, a jumbo coiling disc, a cover for your Super Quiller, 200 sticky back colorful strips, an instruction manual, and a unique design template to help you out quilling. Or you can directly go for our Super Quiller with buddies and take a deep dive in the creative world of paper quilling.